You ever tap a setting on your iPhone and feel like you just unlocked a whole new device? It's a powerful feeling, right? Like you found a secret key to a machine you thought you knew inside and out. Well, get ready because today we are going on a deep, deep dive. We're not just scratching the surface, MeSon. We are going way past the usual tips and tricks you see everywhere else. Your iPhone is packed with incredible next level features that Apple tucked away, waiting for the curious and the bold to uncover them. These are the settings that can truly transform your daily routine, making your life easier, more private, and way more efficient. Think of it like this. Most people are driving a high-performance sports car, but they never take it out of first gear. Today, we're hitting the open road and pushing this machine to its limits. We're talking about turning your phone into a personal assistant that listens for specific sounds like a baby crying or a siren and alerts you instantly. We'll uncover how to make your private notes and photos truly secure away from prying eyes, and how to automatically clean up duplicate pictures that are clogging up your storage. Wait a minute, have you hit the subscribe button yet? Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. This helps us with the algorithm. Ever wonder which apps are secretly tracking your every move? We'll expose them with the app privacy report. We'll even set up your phone to play calming background sounds like rain or ocean waves to help you focus or relax, all with a single tap. From turning your keyboard into a precision touchpad to creating powerful automations that run your life for you, we are covering it all. These are the advanced iPhone features most people never find, but you will from today. By the end of this video, you won't just be an iPhone user, you'll be an iPhone power user. So grab your device, get comfortable, and prepare to see it in a whole new light. Dusty Seconds got you. Let's begin. All right, let's kick things off with a feature that feels like it's straight out of a spy movie. This one is wild. Your iPhone can literally listen for specific sounds in your environment and alert you instantly. It's an accessibility feature that has incredible uses for everyone. Think of it as giving your phone a pair of super ears. To get it set up, you just need to head into your settings, scroll down to accessibility, and then find sound recognition. First, you'll toggle the main switch on. Your iPhone will take a moment to download the sound library, which all happens on device, keeping your privacy intact. Now for the fun part, tap on Sounds and you'll see a whole list of things your phone can listen for. We're talking critical alerts like smoke alarms and sirens, which could be a literal lifesaver. For pet owners, you can get an alert if your dog is barking or your cat is meowing. New parents, the baby crying alert is a game changer. It even covers household sounds like a doorbell, a knock on the door, water running, or appliances beeping. You just toggle on the specific sounds you want it to monitor. When your iPhone detects one, it sends a rich notification right to your screen. You won't miss it. Your Notes app can autosave everything to iCloud, even old deleted notes, but only if this switch is on. This is the fastest way to free space. iPhone now finds duplicate photos and lets you delete or merge them in seconds. Apps tracking you. This report shows which apps are watching what, how often, and when. Apple hiding this deep. This one is for peace of mind, focus, sleep, or stress. Background sounds can play ocean, rain, or white noise. You can organize your documents like a pro. Smart folders auto-sort files based on name, date, tags, or content. Need to move your cursor smoothly? Hold the space bar. Your keyboard turns into a touchpad instantly. You can reply to messages without opening the Messages app. Saves time, saves sanity. And this one right here, it's peace. Turn this on and spam calls vanish. And just like that, you've officially graduated from a casual iPhone user to a certified power user. We've journeyed deep into the settings, peeling back layers that most people don't even know exist. Think about it. Your phone is no longer just a device. It's a personalized assistant, a digital fortress, and a creative powerhouse, all thanks to the secrets we've unlocked together today. We started with simple but powerful automations, from setting up sound recognition to get alerts for a doorbell or a crying baby, to using back tap for instant screenshots or launching your favorite app. We even automated your focus with focus modes that change your entire phone layout based on your location or the time of day. That's your iPhone working for you, not the other way around. Then we fortified your digital privacy. You now know how to check the app privacy report to see exactly what your apps are up to, how to silence those annoying unknown callers for good, and how to use the critical safety check feature to manage your data sharing in an emergency. We even locked down your photos with Face ID and enabled stolen device protection, adding a crucial layer of security that could save you a world of trouble. But it wasn't all about security and seriousness. We explored the hidden gems that make using your iPhone a joy. You can now turn your device into a personal sound machine with background sounds, find any file instantly with smart folders, and navigate text like a pro using the Keyboard Touchpad. You're lifting subjects from photos, translating text live through your camera, and organizing your browsing with Safari tab groups. These are the features that transform your daily interactions from mundane tasks into moments of magic. We've covered so much, and honestly, this is still just scratching the surface. The world of iOS is deep, and there are always more tricks, more shortcuts, and more ways to make your device truly yours. That's why I need to hear from you. If you're ready to dive even deeper and want a part 3 packed with even more advanced secrets, you know what to do. Drop a big yes, MeSon, in the comments below. Let me know you're ready for the next level. Until then, like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Dusty Seconds got you.